ancestors gave me gifts to read cards, predict and heal. My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me Babylon. Angels communicate through numbers. Intuition is so deep.
Hi everyone! Welcome po sa inyong almost personal reading. I want you to know that this is a general reading, so you may resonate po sa buong reading na ito or baka konti lamang. Take what's only yours. I also want you to know that this is a timeless reading. So kung kailan niyo po ito mapanood, the message is meant to find you. Tingnan natin ang nangyayari sa paligid. Your first card is the Seven of Cards, followed by the Temperance. Parang meron ditong gustong bumalik, no? Sa buhay mo, pumasok muli sa buhay mo. I think that meron na kayo ditong somewhat pinagsamahan. Mahaba man yan, matagal, you already met this person. Meron na kayong somewhat, sabihin natin parang foundation na rin. Startup, no? Kasi pag sinabi mong foundation, medyo hindi matitibag eh. Pwede kasing medyo bago-bago lang, tapos na-stop. So, somewhat nagkakilalanan kayo ng kaunti, no? Pwedeng nagkaroon nga ng foundation, yung matagal na, or baka yung nagsisimula pa lang na udlot, no? With the Ace of Wands, talaga ba? Parang ang bilis naman ito. This may be, sabihin natin nagkaroon tayo dito ng intimate moment right off the bat, no? Wala namang problema, no, kung na may nangyari na sa inyo or wala. Intimacy doesn't always have to be yung body, di ba? Yung physical. Pwede rin ha, kasi nandun tayo eh. Ang sinasabi ko intimacy dito is baka meron kayo mga deep conversations, no, na napag-usapan na dati. Meron ding mga somewhat mga touches, no, yung mga ganyan. Something that you shared intimately could be napagsabihan mo ito ng mga deepest secrets. Ayan. Parang not everyone has that access to your life. However, kumbaga pinapasok mo ito doon sa part ng buhay mo na medyo secretive or medyo hindi mo sinishare sa ibang tao. So, with the Judgment, it seems like ang gaang kasi, no, ng emotions, ang gaang ng aura, ang gaang ng energy niya. Kaya parang sabi mo, sige, you're welcome, no? Meron din dito kasing parang magic na hindi mo alam bakit ganun na lang din yung pag-welcome ng energy mo dito sa kanya. Clarifying the Judgment is the Seven of Swords and the Eight of Wands. At one point in time, siguro, sabihin natin, naging playful din tayo, no? Well, that makes sense kasi nandito siguro to nung medyo kabataan mo, no? Medyo risky pa ang mga decisions mo. I feel like medyo matagal-tagal na rin itong taong ito na gustong pumasok ulit sa buhay mo. Let's say, so siguro ngayon mature ka na, no? Maturity comes pwedeng with time. Maturity comes pwedeng nung isang linggo lang. Yung pwede rin kasing you suddenly changed, no? Biglang mag-iba yung perception mo sa buhay, you're practicing na a different perception. You feel like the old you is no longer you anymore. So, whether that decision can be yesterday, last week, last month, something in you changed now. Pero yung mga ginawa mo before, syempre alam mo yun, no? Kumbaga kayong dalawa lang nakakaalam nitong person na ito. What happened back then was between you and this person. So, the Queen of Hazards, so parang gusto natin ibalik dati, or babalik lang ako sa dating ako kung ito yung tao, no? Kumbaga, kung ito yung taong ito. So I don't know kung sino ang gustong bumalik kanino, or baka you're also waiting for this person to return. Kumbaga, na-compartmentalize mo yung ikaw. Parang you're saving the old you for this person. Or this person only knows that version of you, no? That you're not sharing with anyone, but sa kanya lang. The Magician. Yeah, I think that you're waiting for this person somehow. Whether ganun yung longing, whether konti yung longing, whether you just thought of it, probably at one point in time. Siguro nga, no, you manifested this unintentionally, but here we are. Ang lakas ng energy. So you kind of feel like hindi lang ito manifestations mo. It can be parehas kayo nagmamanifest that this situation or event, no, is going to happen again. So the Fool card, I think that this person's the one who reached out. Well, technically, yes, kasi siya yung gustong pumasok sa buhay mo. So, I feel like nag-reach out ito sa iyo with the Empress. So, probably something changed in you physically then, no? Or socially. Whether may anak ka na ngayon, or sabihin natin, there's something physically changed. Kumbaga, either nag-trim down ka ngayon, medyo nag-lose ka ng weight, or nag-gain ka ng weight kung masyado kang payat before, or something that probably nung nakilala mo to, black pa yung hair mo, ngayon medyo brown na, or vice versa, or what have you, kung anong kulay pa man yung buhok mo. It's a different you. Ang dami dito, no? That person knows a different you, and that person sees you differently now as well. Okay. Parang package no? Physical and yung the attributes, the attitude, it's a totally different version. So parang you presented the new you and the old you sa kanya. The person might be seeing you two different, individual. With the Three of Cups, you shared a lot of moments with this person. And with the Ten of Cups, it felt like totoo itong kanyang approach. Kasi with the Ten of Cups, siguro nag-usap kayo nito dati na kayo yung magkakatuluyan. Hindi mo nga inakala na susulpot pa itong taong ito, but nandito siya ngayon. This might be your great love, no? This might be the person na either nakauna sa atin or una nating na-feel ang love. So, love really conquers all, no? This is your reading. Let's check the zodiac sign. Pero bago po yan, kung kayo nakaka-resonate, let me know sa comment section. At kung kayo may mga katanungan, sa description box ng video na ito, there is a link. Click the link, you will be routed to my website. Nandun po yung name, number, QR code, amount per question. Take advantage of the 4 questions plus 1 kasi discounted na po yun. And if you want to book a private reading, nandun din po siya. No? So let's check the zodiac sign of the person. This can be their sun sign or a placement in their chart. Siyempre, reading mo to, lalabas ang inyong zodiac sign, if not placement ng inyong chart. I am seeing Pisces, Aries, Taurus, Cancer. I'm seeing Leo, Sagittarius, Scorpio, Capricorn, Libra. Yan. So this is your reading. Maraming salamat. Love and light. Namaste. See you po sa susunod na readings. Goodbye.
My name is Daphne, but spirit calls me bye bye love.